Welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first guys, we have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, and this is search button. To click it and then enter your model number of your motherboard B850M DS3H ICE, and then hit enter. Click on the product B850M DS on click on that. Then click to support. Select your operating system which is required, but Windows 10, 11, both operating system installations, driver installations same. Chipset, AMD chipset driver, and click to download. Let's start downloading. You can see it is completed. Just single click to open, and this is the extract driver, so you have to double click, automatically extract, and then start downloading, installing. And this is required administrator rights, so click to yes. Then complete and then close it.